Major or partial revolutions. The law of divine renewal. Kardec explains that since its formation, Earth has undergone a series of natural revolutions, some general, affecting the entire globe, and others partial, impacting only certain regions. These transformations, far from being pointless disasters, are instruments of divine will, means to regenerate, purify, and renew the planet. Nothing is destroyed except to be reborn in a more perfect form. Modern geology fully confirms this law of renewal. The study of Earth's crust layers reveals successive eras of destruction and reconstruction. Grandes erupções vulcânicas, movimentos de placas tectônicas, glaciações e impactos de asteroides alteraram o cenário, extinguiram espécies e criaram espaço para novas formas de vida. These cycles, which Kardec viewed through a spiritual lens, are now recognized by science as inevitable phases of planetary balance. From a spiritist perspective, these material phenomena correspond to evolutionary and educational processes. Nature is the reflection of the law of progress. What appears to be chaos is merely transition. Each earthquake, eruption, or flood serves to readjust Earth's forces, preparing the environment for a new stage of life and consciousness. Destruction is superficial. Creation is continuous. Paleontology shows that after each major extinction, more complex and adapted species emerged. After the disappearance of the dinosaurs, for example, mammals flourished, and later, humans. Life advances because the spirit, acting upon matter, finds in nature's crises the necessary impulse to improve itself. Thus, Earth is a vast workshop where the spirit works tirelessly under the guidance of divine laws. Modern astrophysics observes the same principle on a cosmic scale. Stars are born, shine, and die, releasing elements that will give rise to new systems and planets. The universe is a work in perpetual transformation. What Kardec called general revolutions is what current science describes as cosmic recycling of energy, demonstrating that divine creation is dynamic and eternal. In the spiritual realm, revolutions are not limited to matter. There are also moral and social revolutions, in which humanity, upon reaching certain limits of selfishness and ignorance, is shaken by crises that lead to a new awakening. These crises, often painful, have the same goal as physical catastrophes: to purify and regenerate. Collective suffering is the moral fire that burns imperfections and brings forth a new era of light. Kardec teaches that the higher spirit, when observing the entire creation, sees in these transformations not destruction, but universal evolution. Nothing is isolated. Each phenomenon is related to the whole. The revolutions of the earth and those of the soul obey the same law, that of constant renewal. Just as the tides alternate, good and evil succeed each other in human history until harmony is definitively established. Contemporary planetary physics demonstrates that even catastrophic phenomena, such as magnetic field reversals, solar eruptions, or orbital changes, are natural parts of the functioning of the solar system. These forces do not threaten the cosmic order but ensure the dynamic balance that keeps the universe alive. Kardec, in a visionary way, already stated that God governs by laws and that there is no disorder or chance in them. Revolutions, whether natural or spiritual, are therefore the pulse of the universe. They are the heartbeat of divine creation, which keeps the cosmos in permanent rejuvenation. And the human spirit, as a particle of this creation, also undergoes its own inner revolutions, each pain and each rebirth serving the same purpose: perfection. The earth, like us, evolves through crises. And as humanity purifies morally, material revolutions become less violent because the collective vibration rises. Spiritual balance generates physical harmony, and the planet reflects the peace of the hearts that inhabit it. If this reflection has brought hope in the face of life's changes, share it. Because understanding the general and partial revolutions is recognizing that all destruction is only the prelude to divine renewal.